Good evening, everyone. Back. Welcome back with this puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, May the 20th, the 20th, 2023. We have here six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are it's indicated with 3 stars, but it's actually 1 star because this one has 27 printed digits. And here also Sudoku with 3 stars, but this one has 26 printed digits, so it should be a 2 stars puzzle, 2 stars Sudoku. Then we have a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 26 printed digits and one with 25 printed digits. I will do this later on. 10 by 10. And the last puzzle is the tectonic one. And in this newspaper we have also for tomorrow on Sunday, and extra puzzles in the additional 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, the zero Sudoku. Well, it's 1 star, and this is a 0 Sudoku. Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary, and these puzzles I'm not interested. I will do tomorrow half of them, and also the samurai Sudoku. But let me first solve the puzzle page. Let me see. Where's the puzzle page? Come on. Yeah, the puzzle page. I will do this one. The 2 stars Sudoku. The 2 stars Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me have more. Yeah. More light. This one will be number 6462. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits should be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah. Alright, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then let me see, 2 1 1 need a 1 there. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here. 1 in the 3rd column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the 1st column, 1 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 1. How about 7? Yeah, 7 in this row, last row, 7 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this column, 3rd column. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in the 3rd column. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here can be a 3, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3, we have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the last row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. We have a pair, the 6 and the 7 in this column, first column, the 6 and the 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. So what are the other two missing numbers in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then two missing numbers now in the second column. I've marked this box with 2 and a 9. So the 2 and the 9 are missing. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 in this column. Middle column, so no 4 in this box. Here, 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So the only place left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair again. The 1 and the 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, second row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. wait, 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the 2, we have a 1 now in the first row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3, 3. How about, let me see. 2, 2, 5. Let me see. How about the 9 then? 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 7. And the 6 is missing also. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5, 5, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. How about the 2 now? No, the 2, still missing the 2. 2, 5, 6. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and then 9. 2 missing numbers in this row. I believe the 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 6 and then 9. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the 7. We have a 7 in the second row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. The 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, told you, should be cannot be a 3 stars, should be a 2 stars, maybe 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.